Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to see how we should solve the integral from 0 to 1 of arctan of x over x dx. So for this integral, this is going to have a very interesting result. We have to use the arctan Taylor-Maclaurin series, which is arctan of x equals the sum from n equals 0 to infinity of negative 1 to the power of n x to the 2n plus 1 over 2n plus 1. Now, if we divide arctan of x by x, our sum is going to be n equals to 0 to infinity of negative 1 to the power of n x to the 2n plus 1 over x to the power of 1 divided by 1 over 2n plus 1. Thus, arctan of x over x equals a sum from n equals 0 to infinity of negative 1 to the power of n x to the 2n over 2n plus 1. Now, if I integrate both sides from 0 to 1, arctan of x over x dx is going to be, the sum from n equals 0 to infinity of the integral from 0 to 1 of negative 1 to the n x to the 2n over 2n plus 1 dx. Now, if I use the reverse power rule, this integral is going to be n equals to 0 to infinity of negative 1 to the n x to the 2n plus 1 divided by 2n plus 1 squared, 0 to 1. Now, it's going to be n equals to 0 to infinity. And if I plug in and solve for this definite integral, 1 to the 2n plus 1 over 2n plus 1 squared minus 0 to the 2n plus 1 over 2n plus 1 squared. You go to 1 to the n. This is going to go down to 0. 0 to any power is 0. And 1 to any power is 1. So it's going to be n equals to 0 to infinity of negative 1 to the n times 1 over 2n plus 1 squared. Now it's going to be the sum from n equals 0 to infinity of negative 1 to the n over 2n plus 1 squared. So if you sum up this series, you're going to be left with a constant named Catalan constant, which is denoted as g, and it's approximately equal to 0.95. So the integral from 0 to 1 of arctan of x over x dx is Catalan's constant, which is approximately equal to the which is exactly equal to the series of n from n equals 0 to infinity negative 1 to the n over 2n plus 1 squared. And that is the result of the arctan of x over x integral from 0 to 1, the area under this curve. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and I will see you next video.